Good morning, people. We are on our way. What are we doing right now? Oh, we are going to pull and reset a toilet. Got a call the other day that a customer, they're a repeat customer. Actually, they're my CPA. They have water showing up at the base of the toilet. So we are going to pull and reset, man. Yeah, I wasn't gonna record today, but I decided to. I'm tired, man. Yesterday I did that 300 foot of water line, and I got to go back to throw on a grounding clamp, because I had to remove a grounding clamp in order to make one of the repairs. So I got to go back up there to throw one on, and then we also got today a repair on a shower. So we're going to place some cartridges on an old shower, and then and throw on a new shower head. And then we also got a PRV swap out. So found debris in this PRV, and even after I removed the debris, it still was affecting flow. There was restrictions. So yeah, I'm gonna swap that out. So that's what we got, and I will see you at the call, bro. All right, we are wrapped up with that toilet set. You can see how the previous installer just doubled up 2 waxes, and the reason why that isn't recommended is because of the situation that had happened. You can see how the 2 separated. That clearly, like, it had slid, and when it was pushed down and installed, the 2 kind of separated a little bit. But anyway, they make a extra wax ring for that purpose. And anytime that the toilet isn't level with the subfloor or on it, if it's under it slightly, I put extra thick wax, because even slightly under can give you a very weak seal. So yep, a lot of corrosion too, man. A lot of corrosion on that flange. Probably gonna have to be replaced during the next removal. There was already deterioration happening on the bolt on the left side of the, or not the bolt, the flange on the left side that holds the bolt. It was crumbling a little bit. So, but I was glad I was able to get it tight, sturdy. It's on there, it's sealed. I threw on that Delta adapter, which I don't know what it is, man. In my area, dude, they got 1/2 inch everywhere, bro. 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch angle stops. Anyway, so yeah, man, we are on to our next call. We're gonna be throwing in some cartridges and a shower head, and then I'm also gonna look at an issue that he's got and give him an estimate for whatever that issue is. So I will see you there at the next job, brah. Funny.
For that thing. That's heavy. See how it's got too much gold in it.
Yeah, it's the spout is got too.
But first, remember the story. Like, yes or no?
All right, ain't that something? sometimes the job just goes that route where nothing's accomplished. Yeah, so that should have been done as far as the cartridge, but I guess it was sent out and was broken. It was broken on arrival. I noticed it was loose, and then after I restored water, for sure it was leaking. So that's how it came. I'm gonna have to order a new one, but whatever, man. So the customer is really cool. He's chill. So yeah, and then the shower head that I brought, shower head doesn't fit because it's got like a longer base, and his shower arm is smaller, so it didn't work. So it's 2 strikes, dude. Anyway, now I just gotta wait. I was supposed to be going back to the job at that water line to put on a bonding clamp, but he said he'd take care of it, so we're wrapped up with that. Now I just have to wait to hear back from another customer to see if I am going there or not for another job, switch out that PRV. So either I'm gonna see you at that job, or this is gonna be the end of the video. So yeah, if I see you there, I'll see you there, and if not, have a good one. Yo, we are done for the day. I'm on my way home. You can see how the PRV was holding this time. I don't know if you noticed though, of the drop that happens when whenever you have like a mow and flow device or any sort of device of that nature, it's going to reduce the flow. Like there's going to be a pressure drop. So from static, you know, is measuring like 74, 76, and then operating pressure dropped to like 60. I don't know, what was that? Was 68? I don't know. Can't remember. But there's that difference there, maybe 65, and then once you start adding multiple, then it's going to float in between that 3, 4 psi. So it's working good. The main problem though that he was having was the PRV wasn't holding pressure. So even when things were running, it would be like 50 or 40, and then would shoot all the way back up past 80. Crazy. Happens. But we got it swapped out, and yeah. So I'm on my way home, and we're gonna call it a day, bro. We're gonna call it a day. Talk to you later.